In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Cry of Fear with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Cry of Fear actually has co-op modes, and it is clearly noticeable because they do have options to join and host servers. So if you want to play with your friends, one of you will have to host a server, and the other ones will have to join. The easiest way to set this up as of today is by using a service like Hamachi or Redmin. Essentially, they are the same thing. They will allow you and your friend to connect to each other to play together. So download either Hamachi or Redmin. I'm going to showcase this process with Hamachi because it is used for years and it is the most popular choice. I believe that most people have heard of Hamachi in the past, but the same process can be done with Redmin. It is essentially the same thing. So after you download LogMe and Hamachi, this is what you should see. So open the system tray, open Hamachi, and power it on. So if it is offline, make sure that you power it on. And now when it says ready, one of you will have to create a network. It doesn't matter who creates it, but both of you will need to be on the same network. If you have more people joining, make sure that they also do the exact same thing. When you click create network, you will choose an ID and then a password. Note these down. It doesn't matter what they are, but you need to remember them because, like I said, everyone will have to join the same network. Once it has been created, it is going to appear on this list here. Now, you can go ahead and start hosting the server. So inside of Cry of Fear, choose the host server option of whoever wants to be the host. Choose a map, configure the game. I'm not going to go into too much detail about this, and then choose start. Once you are inside of the map, you will be able to pick your character here. And now, open the console. Usually this will be done by pressing tilde on your keyboard, but you can change the console key. Now input the command sv_len_0. So this command will allow other people to join the server. So when you input this command as the host, the server should be good to go. What your friends have to do now is join using your IPv4. So click on your IP on Hamachi and copy the IPv4. Don't copy the IPv6. So the first option here after you click on the IP displayed next to the button to power it on. Once you have this IPv4 copied, give it to your friends. Now, inside of the game, what they will have to do is type connect followed by the IPv4 that you gave them. So connect, space, and then the IPv4 from Hamachi. Remember to be on the same network as them. So both of you need to be on the same network that was created. And once they paste this console in chat and they press enter, they will be able to join the server. If it doesn't work, you can try disabling the Windows Defender firewall temporarily. So either disable the firewall or Windows Defender because sometimes it can block Cry of Fear. If you notice that they are able to join when the host turns the Windows Defender firewall off, you can allow an app through the firewall, and all that you have to do is allow cryofear.exe. So where the game is installed, you will find the executable file, and you just need to allow it. But usually, firewall will not block it, just in some severe cases. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Cry of Fear with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.